Everyone, just thought I'd share this little tip for getting replacing your fairings. This motorcycle's fairings were all wrecked and basically they had to be replaced. So I bought the cheapest fairings I could find, just white, unpainted. And when it comes, it's kind of dull. But what I do is I get ceramic coating. This is Hakasi brand. I don't know if you guys said that correctly, but I'll add the link below. I did this about a year ago and it still looks pretty good. It's still shiny. It helps keep stains from happening to the motorcycle as well. So whenever there's dirt, I just wipe it off with a damp cloth or even like Meguiar's quick detailer. But yeah, that's basically it. And it'll save some money if you don't want to buy painted fairings. Good luck.